The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to receive a significant software update with the introduction of One UI 7.0, based on Android 15. This update aims to enhance user experience through AI-driven personalization and a refreshed design. Key features include the Now Bar and Now Brief for streamlined information access, deeper integration with Google Gemini for advanced AI assistance, and AI Select for context-aware suggestions. The camera system benefits from features like Best Face and Log Video, while the overall interface sees aesthetic improvements such as a redefined control center and revamped icons. Samsung has announced that the rollout of One UI 7.0 will commence on April 7, 2025, starting with the Galaxy S24 series and subsequently expanding to other devices, including the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In addition to the major One UI 7.0 update, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has recently received firmware updates aimed at enhancing system stability and security. For instance, a March 2025 security update, identified by firmware version S931BXXS1AYC2, was released across Europe, addressing various vulnerabilities and improving device performance. To ensure your Galaxy S25 Ultra remains up to date with the latest features and security enhancements, regularly check for software updates by navigating to Settings, System Updates. Check for system updates on your device.